Hello, good afternoon. My name is Fortunate and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a beautiful sunny spring Monday afternoon here in South Korea and I'm on my way to have some lunch. I want to eat some Korean food today. So I decided to take you along with what I'm going to eat and show you my experience with Korean food. So without wasting much time, I'll see you in the restaurant. Hi, so here we are today. What I have here is called pork dumpling soup. Oh my god, this is very nice. So, before I tell you how I feel about this, the smell is great. Oh my god. So let's see what we have in here. I have some pork mandu in here. Mandu is basically Korean dumpling cuisine that is made with dough, pork, and some vegetables. So, and they have different types. They have kimchi mandu and pork mandu. And what I have here is pork mandu. So there is no kimchi in here. And this is the soup. I don't know what the soup is made of. I don't know the spices in the food, but I'm going to tell you what I see in this soup, which is amazing. I see some chopped eggs, some sliced fried egg in here. I also see some seaweed sliced also in here. I see carrot. I see Chinese leek. I see green onion in here, which is great. And the whole soup looks it looks white, and I oh my god, it smells very good. The aroma is great. I cannot wait to tell you how I feel about this food. And I think there is a little bit of oil on the toppings. And I also have some tteok. Yeah, tteok is Korean rice cake. It's made from rice and it's being molded into cake form, but it's very soft and very nice. So I'll go ahead and try this food and I'll tell you what I think of this. Oh man. Wow. Oh, this is great. Oh man. So the soup is very nice and tasty. I love it. It's not spicy. It's not spicy at all. Okay, I'll go with a whole chunk of egg. Oh my god, this is nice. Wow. This is amazing. You can smell the pork flavor in here as well as the spices in the soup. I have no idea what spices they are, but they are very nice. And it's a little bit, just a little bit spicy. And I think that the chili in here is black chili. I think so. So I'll take some mandu with the soup and see. Oh, this is nice. This is yummy, guys. This is very yummy. So there is no one taste in here. There are a lot of vegetables and ingredients in here. But when you eat it, the only flavor that I can say is very strong is the pork. A little bit, just a little bit, which is very, very nice. I just had a bite of the tteok. and it's great. And this tteokbokki is without the red sauce. Tteokbokki is usually served with red sauce, red hot sauce usually, but this one is just the tteokbokki added to the soup. The taste is amazing. Wow, it's a little hot, so I need to be careful. But this is great. So my mandu just broke out into the whole soup, but it's okay with me. I like it that way. So I'm just going to grab a whole chunk of everything in here. I need to take a good sip. This is yummy, man. So this is the whole mandu. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. I love this soup, man. Wow. Now I'm having this idea. I should have ordered rice to go with this soup. It would have been an amazing combination, man. So I have two more mandu. 맛있어요.
맛있어요?
오.
다음에는 떡 많이 넣어드릴게요.
Huh?
떡.
Ah, oh,
Nice.
okay. So I told her it's very delicious, and she wants to give me more tteokbokki inside my soup, but I don't want to take advantage for free, so I don't want to take advantage of that and then go in for more tteokbokki. So I just said I'm okay, thank you. Yeah, which is very nice of her. I'll put the restaurant name and the address in the description of this video. So if you're interested to come by, I highly recommend this place. And anyway, it's close to Itaewon, so anytime, any day you come to Itaewon, make sure you pass by this place and then grab yourself some amazing Korean dumpling, Mandu dumpling. I would love to know what is inside this soup, but unfortunately I don't speak very good Korean, so I think I'll just enjoy the soup, and maybe someday I'll have a friend who can tell me what is inside this soup. I love it very much. It's probably going to be my favorite Korean soup right now. Everything is done, man. Wow. So this is called fish cake, and she gave it to me for free as a free service. I should have ate this before going to the main meal, but I didn't know that. So I guess this is going to be my after meal, kind of like a dessert. This is nice. It has a fish flavor, like a dry fish flavor, and it's a little bit salty, but it's not spicy. So this is very soft. It's kind of like a sausage, but a little bit softer than sausage. I want to say thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. I will see you in the next video very soon. Take care. Peace.